was a gypsy behind humans. Again, the giant who skipped swim across the sea and continued to chase her. Timon was really hopeless. God, this is the last part. Please help me. Then she threw the shrimpets. And do you know what happened then? Yes, the shrimpets became a big swarm of boiling mud. Buddha was stuck and inside the boiling mud. Then he drowned and died. Finally, Timon was saved and returned to Botany. They lived happily ever after. From the story, we can learn that we should not believe in evil power but believe in God. And never give up with all the problems in our life. Because every problem must have solution. I think that's all my story. I hope it will be useful for us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh my God, my baby, my beautiful baby. Thank you, God. Since then, the life became happier. But do you know what is the baby's name? Yes, you're right. But she named Timonas, which means a golden cucumber. Time passed quickly. Timonas grew as a beautiful golden. She was loving, kind, and diligent. But she was so happy. But in the midst of the joy, but she was so sad about her beloved child. Since at the age of 17, she had to sacrifice Timonas to Buddha Hijau. Mom, I'm so scared. Why so be me? Please, Mom, please, begged Timonas. Then Bosnia went to the mountain to seek for the help for the holy man. After hearing her story, the holy man gave her 3 pouches of magic stuff. And finally, the day had come. Buddha Hijau came to Bosnia's house to take Timonas. Ha ha ha. Timonas, where are you? I'm coming. I will eat you. But Sini was very panicked and asked Timonas to run away. Timonas, run away, save your life. Timonas was really scared. She ran as fast as she could to the jungle. Buddha Hijau was very angry and chased Timonas. He was getting closer and closer. In distress, Timonas threw the first pouch containing the needles. Magically, it became a bamboo forest with sharp tips that wanted the giant very. However, the giant could escape and continue to chase her. Timonas was so panicked. Go away! Don't eat me! Leave me alive! Then she threw the second pot with salt inside.